Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7th of the February Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's challenge. Find the difference. So I'm still in Colombia, still in Medellin. I don't know why that would change Medellin. I've been saying it incorrectly, but I'll try to get to it by the end. One thing I want to say is shout out to my Colombian viewers and friends. Thanks for your support. And yeah, I just want to give that shout out a little bit. Okay, today's problem is find the difference. It's easy, so we'll see how that goes. You have an S and T. T is generated by shuffling S and then add one more letter. Return the letter that is, okay. I mean, I feel like that's not that, well, they don't give you an example where T is shuffling, so that's a little bit kind of scummy of them, to be honest, because that's literally in the problem and you just don't even do one. But it seems like it's just a difference between T and S, right? There may be a couple of ways to do it. Yeah, I mean, the way that I would do it is maybe have just this thing called counter, which is a thing in Python. But I mean, but you can do it in different ways. This is essentially a hash table mapping each character and the count, and then of course you would do it twice, once for the S and once for the T, and then maybe set difference or collected difference. I actually don't know what this returns, so let's kind of take a look. Not super sure. So yeah, so this is actually returns what we expected to do. I actually thought it would return something like B but with 0 or something like that as well. I wasn't sure, but given that this is the case, then we can probably do something like dot keys of 0, right? This looks really yucky and awkward, to be honest, but this is but given these constraints, they should be okay. Okay, well, this is a little bit awkward now. I have to convert that to a list first. I guess maybe I could do first or something like that, but either way, we know that it has exactly one item, so this should be good. And again, this is very specific to these constraints and all these like requirements, right? Because in real world, you probably have to do a lot of defensive programming and stuff like that. But yeah, let's give it a submit. Let's see how that goes. Apparently I did it in C. Hopefully that's good. 678 day streak done. And this is the easy, so I'm not going to go into that deeply, except for that this is linear time. Technically, the space is O of alpha, where alpha is the size of the alphabet. Of course, this is only 26, but you can also imagine if it contains uppercase, for example, then this would have 52, right? But either way, it's either 26, 52, or as I said, O of alpha, where alpha is the size of the alphabet. So that's the space. Oops. And of course, time is always going to be O of n, or plus m, if you want to call it that, or m in this case is just n plus 1, so it's going to be O of n time. And of course, this is yeah, and this is this essentially keys difference. It's going to be O of alpha as well, so we don't have to worry about it. I guess this is all this if you want to be precise due to this, and this will have exactly one key because of these constraints. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for this one. I'm curious how I did it before. Did I do counter last time as well, or no? I kind of wrote it out, but this is the same idea. This is I just have an array, right, and then I just return the first element where that's not, they differ, and that's pretty much the idea, same idea. Though today I'm a little bit shorter, I don't know if I recommend it. And in C, I probably just did it the same thing. Yeah, I just subtracted instead, and yeah, and oh, I see. So what I did here was that I subtracted, and if it goes to -1, then we return that character, because that means that T has an additional character than that one. Kind of cute, actually. Good job, past Larry from 2 years, 4 months ago. Yeah, that's all I have for this one, though. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health, and good luck to y'all. Bye-bye.